Good afternoon, my dear tourists. Please remember my name. I am Alexandra B. Maria, or you can call me Alice. And I will be your tour guide for today. I am here with Coach Captain Josh. Say hi, Coach Captain Josh. Coach Captain Josh is an experienced driver for 3 years, and he will make sure that we will have a safe and happy trip. And on behalf of PLT Travel and Tours, I'd like to welcome you all to Queenstown, New Zealand. To start off, let's have a head count for us to know if you are complete. Starting with you, 1, 2, 3, 15. Great, we are complete. Thank you for your cooperation. Before we proceed to our day tour, I'd like to take a minute to tell further reminder and safety precautions so that our tour will be smooth, flowing, and hassle-free. Please keep your seatbelt fastened at all times and remain seated until we reach our destination. First things first, as a safety precaution, I would like to take a reminder to please take care of your valuable things and do not leave your things unattended. Second, may I request everyone to stay behind with me so that no one will be left behind. In my time, it's exactly 2:07 in the afternoon. Third, I want you to familiarize my signals. If I whistle once and wave this blue flag, you only have 5 minutes left to roam around. And if I whistle twice and wave this red flag, you need to go back immediately to the bus and be prepared because we are on to our next destination.